Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. Read this excerpt from When Birds Get Flu and Cows Go Mad. How safe are we? From WebMD. This is a comprehensive, easy-to-use site with all sorts of helpful medical information. This resource would best help a reader gain more understanding about how to prevent environmental health threats, how to treat a common medical problem, how to apply to medical school, or how to control the spread of infectious disease. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.